Hi, Brad from WordPressSites.net. I've just created a basic guide for beginners to learn how to create their own WordPress blog or website. I've put together about 22 pages and I'll be adding some videos as well. It's a very simple to follow step-by-step guide. I have a link on my site up the top here in the hello bar. Not sure whether you use a hello bar, but it's at the absolute top of my site, and I've also got a small banner on the right hand side. I've actually created this course on a new website, and this website's basically devoted to creating your own blog or website with WordPress. So let's take a look at it now. Here it is at themeforwordpress.com. It's called Getting Started with WordPress. It's a free guide. Each page is one step at a time, so there's 22 pages in total, and there's only about 3 to 4 pages that are required to install WordPress and get it up and running. So at the end of the course, you'll have a full website or blog completely designed, and I've got all the different details that I've put into each step, so it's very easy to follow. I've made this for beginners who have little or no technical knowledge of WordPress or web design or blogging. So if you've heard about WordPress from a friend or family member and you're really keen on WordPress, this guide you'll find will help you install your own WordPress software, open source software, and easily create your own blog or website for business blogging, for personal blogging, or even an e-commerce site. So it's a very simple to follow guide. If you're not familiar with WordPress, just briefly, I'll just let you know that it's currently being used by over 50 million websites and blogs. It's now the most popular free blogging and website software in the world. It's open source software, meaning you can install it and make any changes to it that you like, and that's one of the big reasons that it's just so popular, because of the flexibility and the creative license that they offer. You can do whatever you like to WordPress. WordPress needs to be installed on your own web server, so you will need a web hosting account, and obviously a domain name as well, which will be your own unique address on the web. The 3 basic steps required to get your WordPress site up and running. The first step is to choose a domain name, then find a web host, and then install WordPress. And installing WordPress is very easy if you use the correct web host. So I have a list of resources up the top here, recommendations for WordPress, and also in each step of the process I offer a link to recommended web hosting. But choosing a domain name is very straightforward. However, if you choose a domain name and buy that from a web host, it'll make the process a lot easier for you, because it'll automatically create an account with the web hosting and it'll link it together, and then it's just a matter of a one-click install for WordPress. So that'll be a lot easier for you than buying a domain name elsewhere and then having to change the name servers over to point to your web host, which can be technically challenging if you don't have any experience. So that's it for this video, and let's take a look at the next video. Cheers.